Akiaria hindi ya Kigomano kia maai kiria kiretwo blue economy, mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ni ereire kunyitirira utonga uria umanaga na maai na njira ya guthondeka mawatho na mitaratara ya kuongerera mawira.
We've also adopted a program to accelerate the development of our fisheries by increasing aquaculture, fish processing and storage capacities and related blue economy industries, thereby creating employment opportunities for our people.
Thiini wa Kigomano giki kiria gitafanitio nyitaniri-ini wa bururi wa Kenya, bururi wa Canada na bururi wa Japan makiaririria mathina maria magumeirio utonga uria wonekaga maai-ini. Atongoria aya ni metikaniirie he bata kugitira utonga uyu niguo kwandandura njira cia ugendi na wonjoria gutari na mihinga o yothe.
To ensure safety and security in the high seas so that global trade, connectivity and all businesses can thrive unhindered and unfettered.
Industrialization is very crucial for Africa so that people get out of agriculture and go to industry and services and ICT. Then we remain with smaller numbers in agriculture to deal with in order to protect the water bodies, the hillsides and the forests.
Makiria ma ageni 18,000 ari mekinyite Kigomano-ini giki kuma mabururi-ini ma nanja ni matanyitwo guthondeka mitaratara iria irihuthikaga guthaitira utonga wa maai niguo kugacirithia miturire ya aria me mabururi-ini maria marakura na guthoma teknoloji cia kiriu cia kugetha maai.
This largely unexploited resource base can have transformative outcomes in addressing poverty, food insecurity, water shortages, energy needs, and unemployment challenges.
Undu uyu ukite kiumia kimwe tu thutha wa President Uhuru Kenyatta kuruguria motungata ma kugitira mihaka yicigirira iria ciena maai maingi niguo gutigirira muingi ni wateithika kumana na maai maya. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Masi, wadia wa Muriithi.